Welcome to Woggle Guides. In this guide, I'll show you where the trash folder is on Android. Let's get straight into it. If you deleted something on Android and want to get it back, the first thing to know is that Android doesn't have one single trash folder. Instead, different apps have their own trash or bin location. Now, to understand this further, let's start with Google Photos. This is shown on screen, and I'll tap on it once to open it. I'll then tap Collections at the bottom of the screen. The Collections page will now open, and you'll see there's a link on that page called Trash. Other versions of the same app may call this Bin. You should now see any recently deleted photos or videos from your Photos app. If I tap one of those deleted items, the deleted file will now open, and at the very bottom of the screen, you'll see an option to restore it. This will effectively move it out of your trash can and back to where it was originally stored. I'll tap on Restore to move that photo out of the trash can. Let's now take a look at deleted files. Returning to my home screen, you'll see the Files app is shown on screen. Now, this app can be a little tricky to find. If you can't see it on your phone, you can always find it by searching for Files using the Google bar at the bottom. Tapping on that will open the Files app. Now, I want to open the menu icon. This is the 3 lines in the top left corner. On doing that, the Files menu is shown, and you'll see there's an option there called Trash. If I open that, you should now see deleted files that are stored by the Files app. Just like before, I can tap one of these files to view it, and depending on the file, you may also see options to restore it. So in this case, I can restore the file. Some files you may not be able to restore. And that's all there is to it. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Woggle Guides for free. Thanks for watching, and do look after yourself until next time.